Anytime now, race number 11. All set, ready to race. Away they go. Salinas from the outside. Don Ronaldo San-Tropez. Maimpok. Salinas followed by San-Tropez second. Maimpok in between runners alongside is Don Ronaldo. It's still Salinas by Hapalan followed by Maimpok in second. San-Tropez alongside is Don Ronaldo. Moving up by Daryl entry number 1 Galing Galing. And racing on the outside 6 Douglas Sprite reward for effort. She's gorgeous. Victorian Stone's emergency call is running at the tail of the field. And rounding the far turn, Salinas by Alencana, followed by San-Tropez second. Don Ronaldo is racing in third by about 2 lengths. Galing Galing moving up by Daryl Maimpok in fifth. Reward for effort. Douglas Sprite, Victorian Stone, She's Gorgeous, and Emergency Call still bring up the rear as they race the last 250. Salinas by about 2 lengths, followed now by Reward for effort in second, and Douglas Sprite moving up by Daryl, and She's Gorgeous. Salinas, Douglas Sprite moving up by Daryl to grab the lead, and finally Douglas Sprite second, close, Reward for effort, and She's Gorgeous. Salinas took fourth, and for